Where do you see yourself in the next 10 years?
At least signed to a record label. I'm trying to be an international artist. The music what I try to write is about my life. I don't lie in my music.
Shit. What y'all boys thinking? Yeah. Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, we on the same page. Go ahead. Appreciate it, the young flow. It's been real, brother.
I don't know if him signed me, I just see him write something on a paper.
With a Reebok shirt, it's crazy, but f it, we in Jamaica.
We in Jamaica, you know how it is.
Yeah, we in Jamaica.
It's original too, so you know.
Yeah, original.
Yeah.
Original. What's your name?
Rico.
They should have gave you a Rico charge for this outfit.
Hell nah.
You deserve a Rico for this outfit,
nah,
I'll tell you that. Yeah, you might. I can't tell if he.
Help!
Yeah, let's get mad at him.
Wait! Scene.